Take all. Santa Ana Park, the home of sports of Kingsford Racing, is always at its best. And they're off. Early lead is getting better. Grab the early lead, followed by Sir Henry in second, McDollar running in third. And nearing the far turn, Sir Henry moving up by the rail, getting better on the outside. McDollar closing in third, entry number one, and that is with Julian and Sophia's Fury. And at the far turn, Sir Henry by the rail, getting better on the outside, and closing in third is McDollar. It's getting better on the outside, and by the rail, Sir Henry. McDollar moving up on the outside. At the last bend for home, it's getting better by a length and a half, followed by Sir Henry in second, and moving up on the outside is McDollar. At the top of the stretch, it is still getting better in the lead, followed by Sir Henry on the outside. On the farther outside is McDollar. It is still getting better. McDollar on the outside. It's getting better by the rail. McDollar on the outside, but it's still getting better, followed by McDollar and Sophia's Fury on the farther outside. And nearing the payoff line, it's getting better. McDollar, Sophia's Fury, Sweet Julian, Sir Henry.